Question 35. In a certain triangle that has an area of 12 square inches, the length of one altitude is 2/3 the length of its corresponding base. What is the length of that base in inches? So what I'm going to do is, instead of altitude, I'm going to cross this off and put h for height. And our area is A, and then B, and then for base we're going to use B. Let's start by drawing a triangle. This is my height. That's my base. The area of a triangle is A area is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. We're given the area, so that's 12, so I'm going to write that in. Now at this point we can't do anything because we don't know B and H, but we are given a relation. So we're told H is 2/3 of the length of B. So this is a direct translation. So how do I do this? Well, when you see the word is, just think equals. And when you see the word of, think multiply. And then you can pretty much translate this left to right. So H is equals 2/3 of, meaning multiply, the base, B. Now that I have this solved for H, I can take this part here and stick this into H in my area equation, specifically the one that has the 12 already plugged in for it. So let's do that. So 12 is equal to 1/2 B times 2/3 B. I'm going to rearrange this so it's easier to see, because when you multiply, it doesn't matter the order in which you multiply items. If they're all being multiplied, you can shuffle them around. So I'm going to write the 1/2 parentheses next to the 2/3, next to B, next to B. So 1/2 times 2/3 is just 2/6, or you could start by just canceling those 2's. So 2/6 reduces to 1/3, and then B times B is B squared, and that is equal to 12. So now we need to solve for B. So to get the B by itself, it has a square on it and a 1/3 on the outside that is multiplying to it. So start with the outermost item that is doing an operation on it. So in this case, the 1/3 is farther out than the 2, and you're going to go ahead and get rid of this 1/3. So to do that, we can multiply both sides by 3. So 3 1/3 is just 1, and then 3 and 12 gives us 36. That is equal to B squared. And then to solve for this, you need to get rid of the square, so you would square root both sides. So B is equal to 6. So our answer for this one is C.